Hello, my name is Daisy Milena Perez. I am industrial engineer studied at UNAD. This work is for the subhead of strategic management, the Airbnb case. What is Airbnb? Airbnb is an online platform that through the internet puts in touch people what want to offer their homes for rent, with West would need temporary accommodation. Airbnb, the intermediary that directly contacts each other through its online platform. Rule 3. Getting the right employees. Having credibility based for requests. Have people work rent, their homes, and place. Have homes work for their space. Make people all over the world feel like they could be anywhere. House. 1. Mass and personal travel experiences. 2. People start trusting each other. A long time X, he was serious used to be towns, but as mass production and industrialization evolved, that personal feeling was replaced by mass and impersonal travel experiences, and along the way, people stopped trusting each other. Airbnb customers want to interact with people and culture. Consequently, Airbnb has enjoyed the success of jobs aligned more than low price and ease access to critical space. Airbnb has enjoyed the success of jobs aligned more than low prices and ease access to critical space. Play sometimes bigger and deeper. The opportunity to show some humanity or to savor some expression of humanity for other hearts becomes rare in our disconnected world. This is another element about Airbnb and other short-term rental services that makes it different from other aspects of the so-called sharing economy. In essence, Airbnb involves the most intimate human interactions, visiting people in their homes, sleeping in the beds, using the bathrooms. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.